SURE Resale is a business model whereby you buy square meters of land within one of our developing estates, hold it for 6 to 12 months, and resell back to us for profits, which will then be paid back to you as dividend at the end of your preferred investment tenure. Now, be rest assured that Landgate Real Estate Proceeds is a licensed scheme duly registered with the relevant authorities, and the company is actively involved in profit-yielding development projects to which your money will be put to use. After depositing your investment amount with us, you get the following articles of security: a receipt of payment and acknowledgement letter, a deed of agreement, a post-dated check that covers your investment amount plus accrued dividend, and a life insurance cover by a reputable financial institution within your investment tenure. Are you now wondering if there's still an icing on the cake? Oh, sure! Investing up to 5 million naira and above qualifies you for a valuable gift. The next thing you want to do is to call the number on your screen. Ciao.